I'm not so perfect, baby, are you worth it? Come right now. Hey guys, it's been so long since we last saw each other, like doing this. Oh wow, that's really bright. But it's been so long since we last saw each other, and today I thought of doing another cooking with Timmy video. Yeah, anyway, so today we are cooking some heavenly banquet chicken and ginger dumplings. It looks like this. It's so beautiful. I don't know if you can see, but it's so beautiful. And so yeah, the photo looks like it's fried dumplings, but I'm actually just gonna steam them because I'm not bothered to like do any. I'm not bothered to go into like to cook them. I mean, I would actually like to try cooking them, but like I don't know how long I have to cook them for, so I would just stick to that. Well, actually, it says right here. So, actually, you know what? I might try that. Yeah, I might try that. Okay, I'm gonna try the traditional pan fry. It says to remove frozen product from packaging, which I'm about to do. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to non-stick fry pan and place on high heat until hot. Place product into fry pan and cook for 2 minutes. Add half a cup of water per 10 dumplings. And quickly cover pan with lid, leaving for 6-7 minutes. Really? Oh, this is easy. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay, so I don't really need to boil any water or anything. Just remove. Okay, let me take you on. Okay, so I'm gonna add some oil to this pan, which you can. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this in here. Because I've never done like fried dumplings before, or traditional pan fried dumplings, so this will be like my very first time. I'm super excited. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting these in. I'm just gonna wait for the oil to heat up. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, okay. My eyes are hurting, I don't know why. I might cook like maybe like 15. Yeah, because like it's not like too much, but it's not like a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna just do like 15 dumplings and we'll see if I'm full from. Because I had a pretty late breakfast, to be honest. So yeah, I'm gonna just have like 15 dumplings maybe. I don't know. Okay, so it's getting pretty hot. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna just cook this. Yeah, so this is to cook for 2 minutes, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna cook until 146. Okay guys, so now I'm back and I'm gonna just show you what the dumplings look like at the moment. They look so crispy, oh my gosh, but it's not ready yet, so don't worry. I'm not gonna eat these dumplings raw, of course. But yeah, let me just show you. This is what the dumplings look like at the moment, you know, very crispy, you know. I'm trying not to burn my hand. But it's so hard when I'm holding the camera and cooking at the same time. Like, what? Okay. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Very crisp. So yeah, I'm just gonna like wait a couple minutes because, oh wait, it's already 1:46. Okay, anyway, so I need to add water now. I'm gonna just use maybe like I'm gonna use one of these and I'm gonna fill it up. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. So apparently it says to add ½ cup for every 10 dumplings. So I put an extra quarter water. And so now I'm just gonna wait for it to like, I don't know, is this supposed to boil or something? Okay, so it says to add ½ cup of water per 10 dumplings and quickly cover pan with lid, leaving for 6 to 7 minutes. So basically just like boiling it a little bit so the meat gets cooked as well. So yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna like chill and listen to some music of me dancing because why not? But the thing is I don't have another like thing to listen to music with because I'm recording with my phone. I don't know how that's gonna work. So I'm just gonna chill. Guys, so I was trying to look for like a place where I can listen to music, and because I'm filming this on my phone and all my music is on my phone, I had to use my laptop instead. So that's what we're gonna do. And I'm just gonna search for some songs that I really like. Okay. So I'm on YouTube right now, and I love this song by Doja Cat. I don't know if you've heard of it, but it's called Cyber Sex. And I love that song so much. So I'm gonna listen to it while I'm waiting for the dumplings to finish cooking. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So I have another like 4 to 5-ish minutes. So I'm just gonna listen to some music. Well, my internet's very slow for some. Okay, no jokes. It's on. Okay. So I'm gonna listen to some music and I'll just put a time lapse of me dancing because obviously you probably don't want to see it in slow-mo. So. So after you watching me dance to Doja Cat Cyber Sex, now, oh, look at my dumplings. Oh, this is hot. Okay, but oh my god, look at my dumplings. They look so good. Okay, let me show you. Oh my god, look at these dumplings. Oh, okay, they're sticking a little bit. Oh, okay. Maybe I should have mixed it a little, because like some are falling apart, but you know, they're still dumplings, you know, what can you do? I mean, just look at them, they look so good. Can't wait to eat you. Okay, I'm getting too excited. But yeah, anyway, so I'm pretty sure these are ready to eat now. So I'm gonna try and make this 10-minute video of me cooking dumplings, even though I did not actually make these. But can I just say, like, this brand that makes Heavenly Banquet chicken and ginger dumplings is just, like, amazing. Like, it's amazing. So, yeah, if you ever find these, especially if you're from Australia, try looking for them at Woolworths and Coles because that's where my mom bought them. And so yeah, I'm gonna have these for lunch now. And, yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. And I forgot, just before you go,
I have more videos coming up soon of my daily life. So if you want to see more of that, please comment down below. But I think my dumplings are about to burn, so I'm gonna stop talking right here. I forgot to show you guys something. So yeah, let me just show you what the dumplings look like, because honestly, you are gonna love it. Okay, let me just show you how gorgeous these dumplings are. And I put soy sauce and vinegar for extra flavor. But yeah, inside these dumplings are chicken and lettuce. It's so good. I actually want to buy more. And we also bought dim sims, but I forgot to video me doing that because my mom was here, and I don't think she wants to be in my videos yet. So yeah, anyways, then yeah, this is my dumplings, and it's so good. Can't wait to eat them. Actually, you know what? I thought of just doing a little like mukbang, because why not? Like, I'm here anyway. Let me just get my laptop quickly. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna just like watch some videos. I'm gonna do a time lapse of me eating, because yeah, I just wanna enjoy this moment. So yeah, I'm just watching YouTube at the moment, but yeah, I'm loving life right now. So good. Okay, bye. Hey guys, I'm guessing that you're probably bored with like me just eating dumplings for a whole like minute or so. So I'm gonna just end the actual video here. I know my lips look like lipstick. But yeah, I'm gonna end my video here and talk to you guys in my next Cooking with Timmy, or whatever video I'm doing next. I don't know. Anyways, talk to you guys later. Bye. This is the official goodbye anyway. Excuse me. Okay, bye.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.